Coming in next is Green Street semi-truck. It's gonna look pretty cool. It's got some graphics on the hood, door logo on it. Should look pretty sharp.
Truck driver.
It's like super hot. Huh? Went good. Hood was a little warm. That was a little different. So usually when it's warm like that, you get moisture bubbles. Otherwise, it went on pretty smooth.
Hey guys, today we have Rick Gropp's IMCA Modified in here. We've been doing Rick's car for a very long time here at Harris Decals. This year we are doing a little bit of a throwback design going back to 2004. Should be pretty cool. A lot of neon green, some yellow, some purple. Should look good when we're done with it. Just take a look and see what we got going on.
Step is always cleaning or testing the surface, see what the temperature is. This I think sat in here all night, so it should be a pretty good temp. Still 65, still warm enough. Should be a lot of fun. Always fun doing race cars.
I mean, the problem.
Put a logo on here and do the other side and we're all done. Always fun doing it the old way. Should put in there that this car, this design is 14 years old. Yeah, it's confirmed it.
It's all colorful, old school.
That's good. Really good, man. Really good.
Tricky, huh?
I like that. More to see.
Do you like white cars more?
I think the only bad thing is if you get hit.
We don't get hit out there, man.
Ever.
Right when the big young guys do that.
I don't.
I matched this color 717C to a customer's vehicle, and so now I'm just trying to see which one of these matches the best. So I'm thinking it's this one, straight off, but just kind of have to hold it up here and see which one is going to match the best, and then I have to change it out in the file.
What is this?
It's our Pantone matching system. Caitlin printed all of these off, and that way when we're trying to match a certain color, we can just come back here and match it to that. So that's what I'm doing. It's fun. Just working at it. I think that one's pretty good.
Well, me, being the pain in the butt I am, designed this. And they're very hard to get perfect. Should I say my name?
I'm just about ready to pop this in our sumo plotter over there to cut it out.
Four.
Good question. An order that ships out tomorrow. Tarleton and some frame to finish.
Anything to say to Josh?
No, I don't. How come there's more than just one?
It's not my order, it's Connor's order.
What?
Leanne. Okay, so the way I did it is it's like a whole sheet, because that's how he sent me the file, but then he just wanted them cut apart. Yes, put my name on it. I am just switching from this custom in-memory decal to an online order proof that I have to get done. Going back to my proof. That's pretty much it.
All right, so today we got another race car here in the shop. It's a 305 sprint car driven by Josh Riggins. Should be pretty cool when we're done. We're gonna use a lot of the carbon fiber that's already in the body. Put some gold leaf on there. Should be pretty cool when we're done.
My favorite niece.
Say hi to the vlog, Josh. All right, what are you doing, Josh?
I am measuring up the race car so we can get the star just right on this car. That way it looks pretty sweet. 83, but I stretched this out. Five and a half. I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. The gold leaf makes it kind of look like an old-fashioned race car. Really gives it a different look that you see it at the racetrack. Not bright fluorescent, but the reflect would be really cool in photos. Hopefully the camera guy can get a good picture of it.
If you like our vlogs, make sure to subscribe and like us on Facebook.